Hi guys. In this video we're going to pick up where we left off in section 2.3. We're going to look at how to graph a line with its slope-intercept form. And it's going to be a much quicker way of doing it than the last way that we did it with a table of values. So let's begin. So first I'll just write out some of the lines that we want to graph. So let's say we have y equals 2x from last time and the line y equals 2x plus 1 from last time. So here's how we're going to approach this. We're going to approach it by first talking about what the slope-intercept form is. So the slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b, where m is the slope of the line, b is the y-intercept. Oops. So yeah, this is the slope-intercept form of a line. So slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b, where m is the slope, b is the y-intercept. So just as an example, in the blue equation here, m is 2 and b is 1. So that means the y-intercept, what it means is it means where our line, whatever it looks like, where it crosses the y-axis. All right, so now that we've introduced what the slope-intercept form means, let's see it in practice with this example. So we can note that y equals 2x is the same exact thing as y equals 2x plus 0. We're adding nothing, right? It's still the same thing because we're just adding nothing. And now we're going to plot the line y equals 2x or y equals 2x plus 0. We begin with the y-intercept. We can see that whatever this line is, it's going to intersect the y-axis at a y value of 0. So we plot a point there. Next, we want to think of the slope as a fraction. Slope you can think of really as rise over run. So slope is rise over run. So in this instance, we want to think of 2 as 2 over 1. So we're going to go from this point. We're going to rise 2. We're going to go up 1, 2, and then we're going to go over 1. So we're going to go from this point over 1 to there. Notice we went over to the right. So now what we do is we take a straight edge like a ruler or something, and we just connect the 2 points with a straight line like so. There we go. We've graphed one line very quickly, right? Next, we'll graph the other line. So we're going to have the same slope, except now our y-intercept is 1 instead of 0. So our y-intercept is here. Oh yeah, I should do this one in blue. So the y-intercept is here. And then we need to remember we go up 2, 1, 2, and over 1, right? Or another way to think of it is that we're just shifted up 1 unit. The blue line is going to be shifted up 1 unit from the red line. So now we can connect these 2 points with a straight edge here. Oops. I realize my ruler's a little bit broken at the end there, but that's close enough. Close enough, right? So you can see that these 2 lines are parallel like we observed before, and we graph them much quicker than we did before too. So this is how you use the slope-intercept form to graph a line. I hope that you found this video helpful, and in the next video we'll get into some applications of the slope-intercept form and talk about some linear models. So I hope you like this video. Have a good one.